Hello guys, this video is about COVID-19 variant. Variants are also called as mutants. Okay, so how these mutants are arise, that we will see in this video. Basically, there is a process known as mutation which is responsible for the formation of this variant. Right? So basically, what is mutation that we will see in this video. So basically, these are most trending variants nowadays. In the we can see that high transmission rates are there. Whole families are getting infected because of this variants. So basically, as we have already studied that this is a viral structure. Viral structure has RNA, right? And in this our human body, DNA is there. So this is DNA, basically in double stranded structure. These are nucleotides. A, T, G, C. T is replaced by U in RNA, right? And this A will always pair with T or U. G will always pair with C. This is a complementary base pairing, known as complementary base pairing. This is a rule, right? So now let's see what is mutation. Basically, what is mutation? See, this is original variant. We can say this is the first variant having a sequence of AUGC, AUGC, right? And after mutation, there is change in nucleotide sequence. Okay, basically here it is AGCU instead of AUGC, it is AGCU. So place of U is changed, right? And here same in the second. So this is first mutant. We can say this is a first mutant. Now this second example AUGC. Here ACGU. C. C. Right? Then here also. This is same again. AUGC. So this is change here. So basically this is the second mutant. We can say this is the second mutant. So these are just examples. In simple language we can say that more easy understanding like A, B, C, D, E, F. This is original we know, right? If this changes A, B, D, C, E, F, right? Again A, B, E, F, C, D. So basically this is original and these two are the mutants, right? So basically what is mutation? Change in the nucleotide sequence. Also there is addition or deletion basically. Like suppose we can say that one more addition A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Addition of nucleotide. Just example. Or deletion. Deletion means what? C will be deleted completely. And it will give rise to A, B, C. C will be deleted and D, E, F like this. Means C is deleted from here. This is basically addition or deletion, insertion we can say. Addition means insertion. So basically this is mutation. Change in the nucleotide sequence. Nucleotide sequence is changed. So this is the first mutant and this is the second mutant as we saw. And when this first mutant and second mutant get combined, if there is this get combined, suppose we can draw one structure here like this is first mutant and this is the second. If they joined here, so they will be known as double mutants, right? So basically these are double mutants. Two mutations are coming together. Triple mutant means three mutations. So these are the names basically. Triple means three mutations. So why these mutations arise? What is the reason? What is the reason for the mutation? Basically, mutations are arise due to lot now original variant. Lot of people are got immune to the original, so they acquire mutations for the sake of causing more infection to people, causing more infections to the people. That is only the reason for the mutation. They acquire new characters. Basically, in the original, we know that this is the structure that gain entry, that is responsible to gain entry in the cell. So basically, they can acquire new character to change this structure more and more, so that they can strongly gain entry and cause infection to humans. So that's we can do vaccine, and as well as following all the measures that we know to stop the transmission. Okay, variants will arise, variants will come and go. So that's it. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like this video, share this with your family and friends, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out.